How to sync Outlook calendar with Teams. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Outlook application. After that, go to Outlook calendar from the menu bar in the bottom. After that, what you'll have to do is maintain your calendar and then share this calendar from here. Tap on the plus icon, then select add an account, and you will just have to add your account over here, and it will be synced. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.